have for you guys Mighty Nest. If you are interested in environmentally friendly products, stick around and see what came in this month's subscription. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen. I'm so happy to have you here with me today, and I unbox all things subscriptions, men's, women's, kids, pets, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. I have gotten Mighty Nest, actually, I think it's a Mighty Fix by the company Mighty Nest. Anyhow, this is the third one I got. The first one was way back, I say way back, like a year ago. If you don't know what Mighty Fix is, it is by the company Mighty Nest. They have eco-friendly, environmentally friendly, green-inspired products that you can buy. I believe they have a store that you can go online and buy, or you can have their subscription box. You can also do add-ons to your monthly subscription boxes, and I think you can kind of slightly customize, like they'll give you like 3 or 4 choices and you can pick if you want to, or you can just ignore that and they'll just randomly send you something, one of those choices. And that's what I did. I didn't want to know what was coming. I wanted to be surprised. So here it is. The whole idea is to inspire you to live a greener lifestyle, a little bit more organic, a little bit more healthier, a little bit more environmentally friendly lifestyle. And I like that. I'm not going to go vegetarian or vegan. I love my meat. I'm not going to go like do crazy things for the environment. But I think it's important to take little steps in your normal daily everyday life, whether it's to reduce the amount of trash that you have, or, you know, like last time I had reusable grocery bags. I love that. I buy lots of fresh produce, and so instead of using the grocery store produce bags that are just going to go in the trash, I can use my mesh bags, and I have used those so many times in the last couple of months. Like every time I go grocery shopping, I use those. I haven't had any problems. Like nobody questions them. Nobody gives you weird looks. They're just a bag that you put your produce in. Anyhow, so little steps like that, I am 100% on board with. I have reusable straws instead of using disposable straws. My daughter, she loves drinking out of a straw for some reason, and it encourages her to drink more. So yeah, we use straws, and I have both metal ones and plastic ones that I've had the plastic ones for years. But then I did receive metal ones, or I did buy metal ones recently because they were super cute. Anyhow, I'm by no means like a minimalist. If you've ever seen my house, you would know that. I'm not like a tree hugger. I'm not crazy eco-friendly type of a person, but I do think everybody can take little steps here and there, whether it be recycling or reducing their waste in some form or another, or just picking up after themselves instead of like throwing trash on the side of the road. You know, just like little things to reduce your carbon footprint. And this subscription, I think, is wonderful for that, because they send you just inspiring products each month, just to slowly change little things in your life. And it's not, for me, it would be overwhelming if I tried to do it all in like 1 month, to go 100% eco-friendly, green, organic, whatever. It would be overwhelming. And so doing it just baby steps at a time, getting used to using mesh bags instead of using plastic ones, getting used to using dryer balls instead of dryer sheets, or things like that. It just little baby steps for me is wonderful. So enough rambling. The cost. This is $11 every month, and usually the cost of this is more if you were to buy it online at their store. Not too much more. It's not like the products in here are going to be like $20-$30, but generally you are saving a couple bucks to get their subscription. Yeah, right. One thing I do love about Mighty Fix is their product cards. These are the most informative product cards of any subscription I think I have ever seen. So this month we have Hello Eco-Friendly Dishcloths. Goodbye paper towels. I am not a paper towel user. We rarely have napkins in our house. I do have some cloth napkins that I got before I got married, so well over 8 years ago, and we use those a lot. Growing up, we used dishcloths. We hardly ever had paper towels in the house, so we always used dishcloths to clean up any messes in the kitchen. And to me, that just makes more sense. Instead of just using something once and throwing it out, you use it, you rinse it, reuse it. And when it needs washed, you just throw it in the washer, wash it, and reuse it again. So I use dishcloths. This to me is kind of like, bummer. I should have gone on and seen what else was on there. Something maybe new and different that I don't have. But at the same time, I can always use more dishcloths because we don't have a dishwasher and we hand wash everything. So we use dishcloths on a daily basis, and so it's always a good thing to have dishcloths available. Anyhow, let us learn a little bit about these. These are 100% cotton, organic cotton cloths. They're more absorbent than paper or everyday cloth towels. The fabric's unique loops stand up against light scrubbing. Just wash, dry, reuse. You'll sidestep the landfill every time you reach for a tidy dishcloth. I think if you are a hardcore paper towel user, this might take some time getting used to, or it might just, to break that habit of reaching for a dishcloth. But for me, it's just normal. So it won't be as like, oh wait, I have to reach for the washcloth, not the paper towel type of a thing. So for me, this transition isn't really a transition. Anyhow, it says this fix replaces 5,200 paper towels in 1 year. Well, seeing as how I have not bought a paper towel in probably 5 or 6 years, it's not replacing that many for me. Napkins, we are currently using paper napkins at the moment. I bought them for a get-together with some friends, and we use them on occasion, but we're not even using them all the time. It's taking us forever to get through one container of paper napkins. So for us, this is not saving the landfill much at all. Anyhow, it says one household uses an estimated average of 100 paper towels per week. We are definitely the household that uses 0 paper towels a week, so we are not in this average, or we are way below the average. So yeah, who knows? You might fit into that average and be trying to figure out how to change your lifestyle or to live a little bit greener. This may help you. Let's see. Why it matters. Sure, paper towels get rid of messes quickly, and they're easy to just toss and forget. But every paper towel started as a tree that took years to grow. Americans pump out more than 7 billion pounds of paper towels and tissues each year. Most get pitched into landfills after mere moments of use. So on the back here, it has why it matters, what makes it mighty, and use and care. And I love that it just has all the basic instructions on the back of this card. like I said, they're just so nifty, and it kind of just, it helps you understand why using something that's a little bit more eco-friendly is good for the environment. And yeah, I kind of do wish I got something different, but at the same time, I'm okay with it. Like I had said before, I can always use more washcloths. So let's look at them all. How many did we get? 5 different washcloths. These are pretty. I do love the color. Oh, they're stuck together. These colors will look great in my kitchen. It's like orange and browns, blues, greens. And this side has like what they were calling the raised scrubbies, and the raised scrubbies would be the colored strands. And then this side is just the back, so it's just plain white. I like plain white washcloths because when they get stained, I just throw some bleach in there and they come out looking white and fresh again, whereas colored ones, they can kind of fade and look funny. So I prefer, like, I love the look of bright colored ones, but then when they fade, you're more likely to throw them out because they don't look as nice, even though they're performing the same. Just me. But anyhow, these are cute. They are by the brand Full Circle. And we have 6 of them. Or 5 of them, sorry. These are very nice, big sized washcloths. So, yeah, they're very soft too. Let's figure out how much these cost real quick. The dishcloths are originally $6.99 for non-members. Now, members save 5%. We're going to talk about that in a second. So for a non-member, it would be $6.99 for a set of 3. We got 5. So if we break that down, we would be spending $11.65 to buy these. However, because we are a member, we get to spend $6.64 for a pack of 3. So if we were buying 5 of them, it would be $11.06. If we were to ship it separately, just on its own, you do have to pay shipping. So that is the nice thing with the subscription. You don't have to pay shipping. And I can add things to my subscription. So I would pay my $11 plus $6.64 for the set of 3, and I won't have to pay shipping. So I guess you are saving a little bit more money being subscribed and getting that monthly subscription. If you do buy extras, you're saving even more money because you're not paying for shipping. But is it really worth that? I don't know. I kind of expect it to be, if I'm paying $11, then the value of the product in my mind should be like $15 or $20. You know, I like it when it's at least double, if not more. But to be right at that same price point, is it worth it? That's for you to decide. I kind of, I don't know. I like this one. I like getting these products, but there are other eco-friendly ones out there. So how does it compare? I don't know. I haven't gotten any other eco-friendly ones, so I can't compare. But if you've gotten other eco-friendly subscriptions, let me know. Does it compare to it? Is the value worth the price? Would you like getting something like this? Is it worth it for you? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!